are going to introduce a new artificial intelligence tool. And that is Perplexity. Perplexity AI was launched in August 2022 by a team of heavy hitters from OpenAI, Meta, Quora, and both ChatGPT Plus and Perplexity offer unique features and advantages. Let's have a look at Perplexity features and get to know if it is better than ChatGPT or not. Let's open the browser and search perplexity.ai. Have a look on the main screen at Perplexity's official site. Below the search bar, there's a filter option where you can limit your searches to academic, writing, Wolfram, Alpha, YouTube, Reddit, Wikipedia, or search across the internet. Here is some example of searches. The popular ones are as follows. You can sign in through a Google account, iOS, Apple, and via email. In the site menu, there is a sign-in option. If you already have an account, then you can sign in by clicking here. Let's search for something here to check the Perplexity features. Let's ask Perplexity to give some more details. As you can see, Perplexity allows you to ask multiple questions at a time rather than ChatGPT. In the top right corner, there, you can see 3 dots. Clicking on it allows you to delete the whole chat. On the other hand, you can delete any single question. Let me show you how. Below every answer, there are some options. You can complain that the answer is not accurate, or you can view the source from where Perplexity gives you the answer to your question. You can copy it or edit it, then delete it. In the top right corner, there is an option that you can share your searches with anyone. After all of these things, I can say ChatGPT gives more accurate answers. See you in the next video.